this is a finished product, and we're going to do this one. So previously, I already recorded with my phone the video with the voting motion that I won. So I'm going to iMovie and I'm going to import this media. This one. Okay, so I'm going to drop it here and I'm going to choose exactly the body motion that I want. I'm going to come here. So now I have exactly what I want. I'm going to download it again. I'm going to name it Awesome. Now I'm going to close this one and I have to wait till it's ready. Okay, now I'm ready. Insert it here. And I know which one it is because it says on screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it. And I know it's time consuming, but during the school year, I know I'm going to love this because it's going to save me a lot of time by just